Mingo wasn't the first visual factory software that we've implemented, and it's kind of the last step on a journey that we've had. We started with Vorne, which got us a long way. They had digital boards. That was kind of our first foray into showing someone outside of the line operator what's going on with the line. But coding the downtime was a very manual process, and there wasn't a really easy way to get the data off of it. Then we went to another package that was called Worximity that was, cloud hosted, but very rigid. And, we had to fit our data into what theirs could do. And that was kind of the limit of it. And then we spent a little bit of time with them, and then we found Mingo through a blog post. We just started talking, and what brought us to Mingo was the ability to customize, use our data the way we wanted to, and kind of fit our operations into the software instead of requiring to fit what we do into a black box. Mingo fit over top of what we did.